Verdure Flex industrial peristaltic pumps are extremely robust, easy to control and versatile, offering an extremely reliable way to pump any liquid, including slurries and viscous fluids. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Available from Global Pumps, the Verdure Flex range includes a full range of industrial peristaltic pumps, dosing pumps and hose pumps. All use the established peristaltic pump design based on alternating compression and relaxation of a hose or tube drawing the contents into and through the hose. Now, as a result, the medium being pumped does not come into contact with any moving parts and is totally contained within the robust heavy-duty hose or precision extruded tube. Now, the range includes pumps that can reach pressures of 16 bar and achieve flow rates of 150 cubic metres per hour. All models are highly energy efficient and low maintenance, and Verdure Flex hoses are the longest life hoses for peristaltic hose pumps, regardless of the abrasiveness of the process fluid, contributing to an even lower total cost of ownership. Now, details of the Verdure Flex range are available from all the W's, globalpumps.com.au, or give them a ring, 1300 145 622. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.